Hi guys, welcome back to Jasmine YouTube channel. As you guys can see today's Friday. Happy Friday to you all out there. I hope you all doing well by God's grace. Okay guys, thank you so much for the support, for the love. I really appreciate you guys all. And for my new subscribers, you're all welcome and you're all free to join the family. Okay, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment and subscribe. Okay guys, as you guys can see, today we're about to do our hair. We're about to do cornrows, so I'm about to do it myself, so I hope it come out nice. Okay guys, so without any further ado, let's get right into the video. I always use the pre-stretch extension because it's more easier and faster to do my hair. Okay guys, so I'm only going to use one part, so hopefully fit my hair. Use our gel condition and shine gel extra hold. Okay guys, I just came right into my bathroom, okay, because over there I couldn't see the parting very well, so yeah. Okay guys, we just get our hair done and put the end in the hot water. So now we're going to use our mousse, using the same mousse that I always use. So as always, you guys, you already know what method I use while braiding this hair, doing my hair. Okay, sorry, our bobby pin just fell, so that's why I took it. So here we're going to use bobby pin. Put the hair inside the bobby pin and put your beads. Don't worry if you buy beads and it doesn't have the crochet or the thing that they put inside before put into the hair. You can use a large bobby pin. If you don't have it, buy one. It will save a life. So here it is. Make sure all the hair length are the same. Okay, measure the hair length. And here, now we're going to use a black rubber band to secure the hair. So rub it till it can't rub anymore. Okay guys, and just cut off the leftover hair. Okay, and just like that, and voila, you guys, our beads, our hair is ready and everything. So we're just going to cut all the hair, the fly, you know, make sure the hair look good and professional. Okay, I use one pack as I show you guys before starting this video. Okay guys, this is our finished look. Tell me how I did. I know I did well. So please guys, comment down below what hair video you guys want to see next, and I will do it. And please like, share, comment and subscribe. Okay, I love you guys so much. God love you more, and please stay safe out there.